helping these people here. These people have better spirits than we do. You know, they know how to survive. Yeah. Right?
Right.
What's your name?
Barbara Clayton.
Barbara Clayton.
Yeah.
She knows how to survive.
I was just waking up this morning. I'm not French.
What's your name, sir?
Tara Williams.
Tara Williams.
Right.
These people have good spirits. We're gonna go find some other neighborhoods, Mom.
Right. Tell your mom. Thank her very much. Thank you.
Barbara, thanks you.
You need
Right.
What's that, Mark?
Over here, these people are really grateful over here.
Where are they at?
Right back here.
Where are they at, Mark?
Right back here, these people, like to report to you, we're very grateful. And we're going to see if we can come back with batteries.
Right here, right in that house down there?
Well, yeah, we're doing pretty good here.
So we're unloading the truck pretty good. We had trouble finding one address, but as we zero in on the truck, you can see that we got rid of a lot of stuff. We still got.
Yeah, they go to your, yeah, that's right, they go to your car.
So how do you think we're doing good?
Want ice cold Coke?
She thinks we're doing good. Okay, Mark. I'm going to turn this off and we'll get ready to go. Coming up on that's been overturned. Can you imagine how powerful the winds are to overturn a truck like that? Oh man. Hold down here. We've run into a barrage of military people here. Wave, guys. See, look at this sight here, folks. It's amazing. Music would be excellent. Look at the damage here, folks. We're trying to get... Anybody need bread? No, but we ran out. 3 sets of bread left. We're trying to get rid of bread. Right now we are heading back to the site, 216th Street, where we picked up the food. And seems to be a lot of requests for flashlights, batteries, more canned goods, ice. I don't know if we'll be able to get that. And what other things? Mosquito repellent. Mosquito repellent. Look at these down poles here. Okay, we're heading back in. Here's a soldier directing traffic. Okay, let's come back in. the 216th Street in US 1, National Guard site where supplies are being handed out.
To get the one couple of blocks, you know? We figure that's how hard it is to get food. It looks like can't get there either.
Yeah, true.
Just take a look at shit.
I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure where these guys are from. One's from Tallahassee. They're doing a heck of a job out here. There's Mark taking a picture of the truck. We'll go over here and we got a picture of a. Get a close up on the truck here. Hey Mark, it says battery flashing on here. Yep.
Are we ready to go? Yeah. I would say. Can you picture what will be? So little more than free, desperately in need of some stranger's hand in our desperate land.
All right.
Empty spaces, what are we living for? Abandoned places, I guess we know this more. On and on, does anybody know what we are looking for? Another hero, another mindless crime behind the curtain. In the pantomime, whole line. Does anybody want to take it anymore? So much go on. So much go on. Inside my heart is breaking. One day I'll make it plain that my smile still stays on. Whatever happens, I leave it all to chance. Another heartache, another failed romance. Oh no, does anybody know